Wait, okay, go ahead.
Here's the second part. So, I have a blueberry here you can see.
Mm-hmm.
I toss it in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And it bounced back.
And then it bounces back.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put it on top. And it rolls. Okay. So it goes onto the tin foil. This isn't very good, but it did.
It did. And then when you're ready, you eat it. Yeah?
Wait. And there's one more part.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
I can't get it. I get it. No, I got it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now we'll just keep rolling until it gets over here. Then put it up here,
Uh-huh.
and then you lift your hands up
Mm-hmm.
this high,
Mm-hmm.
get the aim, and drop down.
Perfect. Good job. All right, thumbs up, Luke. Thanks for sharing your awesome machine. You worked real hard doing it. Thumbs up. Yahoo. Love you.